ازيكم؟ هنتكلم عن ال AI ethics which is 5 components: the fairness, robustness, explainability, and transparency and privacy. These 5 components. The first thing is fairness. AI systems should ensure equitable treatment, avoiding bias and discrimination across diverse groups or individuals to promote justice in decision making. The second thing is robustness. AI must be reliable and resilient, capable of performing consistently under various conditions and resisting manipulation of errors or hacking viruses. All this for from damaging the data or stealing it. Explainability. The third thing is explainability. AI decisions should be understandable, allowing users to comprehend the reasoning behind outcomes for trust and accountability. The fourth thing is transparency. The development and operation of AI should be clear, providing insight into its processes, data, and algorithms. The last thing is privacy. AI must safeguard user data, ensuring confidently and compliance with regulations to protect personal information from stealing or from using usage by others.